My name is Atan Fox. I'm from an organization called Milwaukee Water Commons. My climate story is that we're here in the city of Milwaukee, and there was a 1,000-year flooding event in August of this year, and one of my co-bosses, Miss Kirsten Shedd, her community and her house was flooded over. They are right next to the Milwaukee River, and it went up to, I think, the line of their windows. And it flooded their garage and their basement. So the climate resilience story is not only did their neighbors help Miss Kirsten Shedd, but a lot of our staff did as well. And that's really a cool story about both how the extreme weather events are affecting our communities as well as us personally, but how we are able to move forward from that not only through our own efforts, but through the efforts of others as well.